The event today is the Altro Neurodiversity Forum. It's all about learning and designing spaces for neurodivergent people. We've got a range of architects and designers, some guest speakers that are going to be very much into designing those special places.
A space designed with inclusivity in mind. It's a space for everyone. The Neurodiversity Care Forum that we're in today goes a long way to the education of designers to help create those places.
The world out there is not designed for autistic people or people like me. Lots of experiences are very loud, very bright, very overwhelming, and people like me have to work twice as hard as anybody else just to access things that other people do.
Designing for neurodiversity, as we're finding and discussing today, can be challenging because A plus B very rarely equals C.
They might want to feel calm, they might want to feel nested, they might want to feel uplifted.
Understanding different neurotypes like autism, ADHD, dyslexia and sensory processing disorder can reshape the way we design our schools, workplaces, healthcare facilities and even our public areas.
We're hoping to get people to start to understand how to use materiality, how to design spaces to be a little less overwhelming, but also really to encourage people to provide that sensory joy.
So by being here and talking to designers, our hope is that we can get environments being built perfectly from the beginning.
Neurodiverse design is good design for every human. Simply put, there is never an instance where neurodiverse design jeopardizes anyone else's experience.
Not many people have been speaking about it, and I think today's event really highlights all the factors that we need to look into when we're designing in that space.
Altro being a family company and trying to do things a little bit differently, that's right at the heart of where we're trying to get to, because hopefully you can actually make a real difference to the people using the spaces in which, the products ultimately are installed.
It's really important for there to be voices in this industry leading the charge. Tiny little changes can make a really big difference, and if we have industry leaders advocating for neurodivergent inclusive environments, it means more and more of the world will be autism friendly and people like me will have a better experience overall.
Let's carry forward the spirit of this forum and continue to educate, advocate and innovate.
And I truly believe that together we can create a more inclusive world.